Hello everyone. Let me explain the usage method of our vertical image projector QVP400. First, let's take a look at the overall structure. And then the bearing part. It consists of precision lead screw cross rails, which make our operation lighter and more stable. The digital display meter we use can achieve 2D measurement more accurately and quickly. Well, let's proceed to the actual operation. Before operation, we first need to install the 10x objective lens. Next, we need to turn on the main power switch. And the light switch, surface light, contour light. Then, we need to find our zero position, starting with the x-axis, followed by the y-axis. Then we need to place the workpiece. After that, we perform focusing. Next is the selection of element measurement. The QVP400 can perform a variety of 2D element measurements, including points, lines, circles, distances, and angles. I will demonstrate distance measurement. Select distance measurement, choose point-to-point distance. Take points. Point 1. Point 2. Click Enter, and then the distance will be displayed. The above is a brief introduction to the QVP400. For more functions, please refer to the instruction manual.